Oi oi! We have some concrete! Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Big job on our hands today on the farm. We are replacing the rest of the silage clamp walls with the concrete that you can see behind me. So this part here was an extension that we put onto the silage area many years ago. This was the original silage area, and these are wooden railway sleepers. And the problem with these sleepers is air can get through the gaps, and when air gets into the silage, it makes the silage go off. So that is obviously a problem. We've managed with the silage clamps like this for many years. It's time for a change now. So as you can see, we've already taken these sleepers out of this wall here. Those ones are yet to do. Taking delivery on the concrete shuttering. This turned up this morning, and so we're going to get it laid out today, and then we can get the concrete poured tomorrow. So I'm going to set this GoPro up on a time lapse because I just can't be standing around filming while all the staff are doing all the work. So I'm going to put this on a post just over there and start the time lapse. So here's the first one. Oh yeah, and there we have it. Today's work is done. All the concrete shuttering is now up and ready to be poured with the concrete itself. This is all new work to me. It's all a learning curve. Oi oi! We have some concrete. The first load of many. Let's hope it all goes to plan. Okay, so it is the day after the concreting day, and we have a problem. It's only a slight problem. Unfortunately, it's pushed its way out of the bottom because that's where most of the pressure is in the concrete. Yeah, the reason for that is because the first panels that we put up the wrong way around. As you can see, the tie bars on this panel are higher up compared to the tie bars on that panel. So yeah, we put them the wrong way around. We didn't think it was going to be a problem, but unfortunately it was a problem. So as you say, once bitten, twice shy. We'll not be making that mistake again. But hey ho, we're going to take these panels off today, and we're going to see what we're left with. remember the problem that we had here. The concrete bursting out from the bottom. I call us being over precautious, but it's better being safe than sorry with this. Because once the concrete starts going, there's no stopping it. Okay, so the pouring of the concrete silage clamp walls job is complete. It was a long process, took about 2 weeks all in all. Finished job, quite happy with it. There's a couple of little mistakes. It's hard to get the fill exactly right on this side because the RSJs go much higher than the wall itself. This side was a lot easier, as you can see. The RSJs aren't as high as the wall. So at the end of last week we just fitted a handrail, and that's there for safety purposes when this is full with silage and we're chucking tyres over the sheet. It's good to have a safety barrier. And that brings me to the end of this video. So if you enjoyed the video, please give me a subscribe and then you won't miss the next one. And the next video could well be the best day of the year, and we might be turning the cows out to grass. It does look a lot better weather now, so it can't be far away. Until then, thank you very much for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Goodbye.